All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the Packers box break. This is for box number 2. So we'll check the time, March 31st at 10:34 a.m. We're going to go over to the Raz and type live. We have March 31st at 10:34 a.m. There is the list of our, let's get rid of that, of our 27 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 8. Okay, 8 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Kevin. Spot 9 is our winner. So, Kevin, you will have the second pick of the 6 boxes on Friday night. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, March 31st, 10:35 a.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.